Hey there. So today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Teams plugin. So in Microsoft Teams plugin, you will be able to create a team where you can have multiple channels in that, and you can add your members within your tenant. So if we go to this demo page, you can see this is all my teams. There are 4 teams here, and if I click on any of them, I can see the channels. So these are the channels, and so I'll show you how to create a team now. So if I click on this create a new team, it will ask for team name and description. I'll give dummy team, then description, this is a dummy team. If I click on save, so now you can see that team is created here. It's called dummy team. If we click on it now, there is already a general channel created. That's the default channel. So in workflow, so this is the API called Microsoft Teams Create a Team. So in this API, it will ask for access token in the authorization. You can get that authorization token from the API called get access token from code. So that I've already explained in other videos. So you can refer that. Then comes the display name. So in display name, you'll give the name of the team, and in description, you'll give the description. So yeah, this is how you create a team using Microsoft Teams plugin. Thank you.